Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about EVDash EXPOSED Dlivrd for scamming them out of 2 orders. They are getting worse. So while catering companies normally have quality driver support, or at least better than their competition, that doesn't exempt them from shady behavior, and that doesn't mean all of them are good. And EVDash has exposed an incident that looks like it could involve some legal action on their part. So in this video, we are talking about everything that is taking place in this video, how it actually is for delivery drivers and catering drivers of all kinds, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. So EVDash was in the process of picking up a single order from a local area that seemed to have switched from being an Easy Cater customer to a direct partnership with Dlivrd. He gets everything bagged up, has it delivered to the customer's location, to their home, what have you. Very simple process. And then after that pickup, he was sent 2 more orders from the same location. $15 base pay, but no tip. Why this was the case? Because apparently, according to Dlivrd and their customer support team, the restaurant was forgetting items. And then, of course, when EVDash delved in a little deeper on the subject to actually ask questions to make sure everything was copacetic, and that this is actually the case and not just him running in circles like a chicken with their head cut off, they clap back with an attitude. But out of respect, he ended up going back to the restaurant, talked to the people behind the counter, and they said, no, that's not what happened at all. Of course, they got on the driver support line, and now they're telling him a completely different story, claiming that he's not going to be paid for the 2 orders that were sent to him, both $15 base, $0 tip. So you're wasting the time and energy of the driver because your people can't get their shit together. I guess that just shows the integrity and character of Chris Heffernan's failure of a company and Brian Brock's failure to lead his own people. But in any case, he is going to be consulting with a lawyer on the subject to get that $15 back. Like, you can't let these companies screw with you on this. But that's how bad this has become too. Like, that's the kind of crap that this company pulls. Like in the live stream the other night, there was a bunch of people that were trying to say that Dlivrd's a good company, Dlivrd's a good company. And if you want to work with Dlivrd, that's fine, but that's what they're capable of. They're choosing to scam people. They scammed me. For what? His green Cybertruck and running his shitty company that clearly can't even do basic tasks on their own? This is why I can't trust a company like that. And look, if you guys want to work with them, that's your choice. I'm not trying to say you shouldn't work with a company. You see some of the payouts that they have, and then you see some of the other payouts from the other companies that we work with in general, like Doordash, UberEats, and Grubhub. Yeah, the payouts are better on just a baseline level. So of course you're going to want to work with them as opposed to Doordash, UberEats, or Grubhub. But if that's the kind of crap they're going to put you through, how many orders do you think he could have taken while standing in there on the phone with Dippity Dan, who couldn't even answer a basic question without having an aneurysm? All in all, I would just be very careful when dealing with companies with the piss poor integrity and character that this company has already exuded on a universal level. There were other incidents that were asked to be taken down because of the nature of how bad it was, and they are naturally a company that threatens to take you off of the higher paying aspects of their program and basically attack your income. They are so fine with attacking your income, and it's about time you clap back at them. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.